Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about what happens when we connect batteries in parallel and what happens when we connect batteries in series. Okay. I'm talking about only batteries now. So let me have some batteries. Okay, I'll use a 1.5 volts battery. Let me have it this way and let me make a copy of this. What would in series mean and what would in parallel mean? Series would mean that positive of one is connected to negative of the other, and this is connected somewhere else, and this is connected somewhere else. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect that to a multimeter. So the negative to the negative of the battery and the positive to the positive of the battery. So let's see what things are, how things will happen. Uh, So I have connected two batteries in series. So when they are connected in series, their voltages add. Their voltages add. Okay. So let's see. What is the voltage? 3 volts. Why? Because these are two batteries in series and the total voltage is 3 volts. Okay. On the other hand, if I connect them in parallel, see what is going to happen. In parallel would mean that the positive of one is connected to the positive of the other. So that means positive of one is connected to the positive of the other, and the negative of one is connected to the negative of the other. So this way we'll call them as in parallel to each other. And my when I connect the multimeter, how will things happen? How will things happen? Because they are connected in parallel, their voltages remain the same. Okay, so both the batteries are connected in parallel. Their positives are connected together, the negatives are connected together. If I had another battery and I wanted to connect that battery also in parallel, okay, so how would I do it? I'll simply connect the negative of this to the negative of this battery and the positive of this to the positive of this battery. Now you can see that all these batteries are connected in parallel. Why? Because the negatives of each battery is connected to the negative of the other battery. All the positives are connected together, and when I check the voltage now, it remains the same. So that doesn't mean if I connect more batteries in parallel, the voltage will increase. No. Even if I connect 10 of these batteries and connect them in parallel, what will happen? The total voltage will still remain the same. They are in parallel. But if I had connected them in series, that means I connect them one after the other, negative of one to the positive of the other, and go on and on. So the voltages will keep on adding up. Now, how do things change as far as current is concerned? Let us now see about the current. Let me remove everything from here. Let me have only one battery and let's see what is the current of one battery. Let me change the voltage to amperage, and this is the positive. This is positive. And when I check start simulation, it is 3 amperes. Now, let me connect batteries in series. I'm connecting batteries in series. So if I have two batteries now and I connect them in series, that means the positive of one gets connected to the negative of the other, like this. How is the current going to change? It's still 3 amperes. So this means what? Did you notice when I have batteries in series, what happens to the voltage? The voltage gets added up. If I have two batteries in series of 1.5 volts, it becomes 3 volts. What happens to current now? The current remains the same. So that means if I connect 10 of these batteries, the total voltage, 10 of these batteries in series, the total voltage is going to be 15 volts. What about the current? The current is going to remain 3 amperes. Okay. So please remember, batteries in series, the voltage add up, the current remains the same. Let us now check what happens when I connect them in parallel. So let us connect them in parallel like this. Connect this to this. This is negative. So the positive of this is connected to the positive here, negative of this is connected to the negative here. As far as the voltage was concerned, in parallel there was no change in the voltage, right? But when I start simulation now, the current is 6 amperes. The current is 6 amperes. Now what does this mean? When I connect batteries in parallel, the current adds up. What is happening is that when you connect two batteries together, both these batteries are basically uh, giving out more electrons. That means more electrons are being pushed because electrons from this battery and electrons from this battery are added up. So when okay, to summarize, when we have two batteries in series, the voltages add up, the current remains the same. Doesn't matter if you connect 50 batteries, the current will be the same as one battery. What happens when you connect them in parallel? If batteries are in parallel, the voltages remain the same. Doesn't matter you connect 50 batteries in parallel, but the current will keep on adding up as we increase the batteries. So I hope you have understood the concept here, and if you have any problems, just write down a comment. If you have a suggestion, please give me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.